Hey guys, Aaron here from Bit Branding, and today we're going to teach you how to spy on your competition with Facebook ads. But before you do that, make sure that you go and hit subscribe and hit the bell if you're over on YouTube to make sure you don't miss out on any of our tutorials and content that we put out weekly. All right, so before we jump in here, I'm going to show you exactly how you can spy on your competition, but I want to tell you why that's important to spy on your competition, because there's no reason to recreate the wheel. When your clients when your customers are wanting the results that you haven't necessarily produced yet, or say, for example, you're just trying to figure out some ads to run for yourself, you want to see what everybody else is doing, this just allows you to kind of see if your idea is validated, maybe you should change some things. I don't think that this is the end-all be-all, so you never know what the results are going to be. However, when we jump in here, I will be able to show you exactly which ads we think are performing better or which ads we should probably stay away from copying. So all that being said, make sure that you do look at your competition, make sure you know what's going on, but at the same time, don't take that for granted that you may know what you're doing better and they may be trying to copy you. So you just never know where people are at in their advertising or if it's actually producing results. But that being said, use it as a tool in your business to help you and your clients grow. The first thing you want to do is you can go to Google, but the website is facebook.com/ads/library. Go ahead and click enter there, go to that website. And you can see all ads by all advertisers. You can actually click on any issues or political ads, and you could also use housing. Okay, so we're going to look at a big company right now. We're going to look at Dell. And the reason we want to look at a bigger company is, for right now anyway, is that there's just a ton of ads that are running for them, and you can see some good examples. So right now they have some ads that started December 12th, which is just a couple of days ago, December 6th. And then they have some ads that have been going on since November 20th. I want to keep scrolling here before we go too far. They obviously are running a ton of ads. So they got some that are going on since November 3rd. And what's important to note about this is that if the longer the ad runs, more than likely, if the company's paying any attention, they aren't just running an ad to run an ad. They want results. So the ads that have been there longer are probably producing the results that the clients want or that they're wanting to generate from this. Dell is a very large company, so it may just be brand awareness. But let's go ahead and look at a smaller company here, and then I can show you some a little bit more specific examples. So let's look at, we're actually going to look at our own ads here, Bit Branding. We are obviously a little bit smaller than Dell. We actually have two ads running, but one of them may not have been running. I don't know why it's not showing on here. Either way, you can see the ad details. This is one we're running for website design, and you can see the ad details here. It tells you a little bit about Bit Branding. We're located in Allen, Texas. It shows you the ad. I don't think it can let you see. Okay, yep, you can click on learn more, and you can actually see where it takes you. This is a website calculator that we're running an ad for right now, and just letting people see how much it would cost for them to build a website. But everything that you want is all right there. You can't necessarily see the social proof or go to the actual ad, but you can see where it's being publicized. So whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and what it looks like. For example, this is what it looks like on Instagram. And you can see the last 7 days. And if this has been running for a really long time, you could see, I think they can go 90 days. But the full transparency allows you to see, okay, this ad obviously started this morning. So this particular one, we have one previously, which is weird that isn't showing. But this one in particular, we just don't know the results yet. It's been only running a day, so only take it with a grain of salt. It could be a home run, or it could just be a flop. But this will allow you to go and see our ads. It'll let you see pretty much everybody's ads who are running ads on Facebook, and allow you to see where you can take your business or give you at least some creative ideas on what you could be doing for your advertising. Now, if you guys have any questions at all, please make sure to leave a comment below. And as I was mentioned earlier, make sure that you hit subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. As we publish tutorials weekly, and we have a weekly show that will give you updates for how to grow your business locally and online. And then we also publish our podcast that goes out once a month. That may be switching up, so don't hold me to that, but we do publish there. All right, have a great day, guys.